Want to know more about basic liability insurance? Well, we got you covered. When you sign up for basic liability, here's what it covers. 1. Accidents. Did you get into a fender bender? Basic liability helps cover the other person's repair bills if you're at fault. 2. Property damage. Did you damage someone's property? Basic liability helps cover the repairs for that as well. 3. Medical bills. Did someone get hurt in the accident you're involved in? Basic liability can help cover their medical expenses, but basic liability does have its limits. You must know what's covered and what's not. 1. You are not covered. Basic liability insurance covers costs to the other party in a collision. It does not cover you or your property. 2. Coverage limits. Your policy sets a cap on how much basic liability will cover, so you can run out of coverage. 3. Consider add-ons. Sometimes basic liability might not be enough. As usual, chat with one of our Insurance Navy agents about your coverage options to ensure you receive the best coverage tailored to your needs.
Insurance Navy, the coverage you deserve.